Morning stop, windows wiped clean. Fueling up at Walmart, living the dream. Rolling on, yeah, we're feeling free. Just the Walmart, Ito and me.
We're at the Walmart gas station outside of the Walmart in Fort Mojave, Arizona. And we got the window washer here doing a good job. Get it all.
I work for tips.
Good luck with that, dude. Better be perfect. You missed the spot right over here. We've actually been here in Fort Mojave for a few days. However, it's been just way too hot, so we have been hibernating in the air conditioning. And today's only supposed to get up to 100. So we thought we would head out this morning and get a few groceries, because when we get over to Big Bend of Colorado, a Nevada State park campground, hello. Did you guys see that? I don't know what kind of bug it was. Anyway, when we get over there, we're probably not going to want to go anywhere, and because it's kind of far away from everything else. So we thought we would get a couple things today. Well, we're going to take you with us. Good boy. You wash those windows really good. Cheers. I love you. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Cheers. Oh my goodness. Tom is drinking water because it's freaking hot and he cannot drink coffee when it's hot.
Okay, it's hot. It's 78 degrees. That's the current temp where we are. Where are we?
We are at Lake Mead at Boulder Beach Campground.
So we made it.
We made it here, and we'll tell you more about how we got here next.
Later.
Yes. So welcome to Saturday, March 28, 2026, Tom and Lori RV Life podcast and episode. Oh my gosh, I'm going to start this off on a good note. Happy birthday on Monday, Dave.
Our Endeavors, Dave.
Happy birthday, Dave.
Woo! Everybody go over to his channel, Our Endeavor, and wish him a happy birthday.
Wow.
He's also on Instagram, Our Endeavor. Go over there and wish him a happy birthday.
Yes.
Okay?
All right, last Saturday after we chatted with you, I worked. You played.
Yes.
And we got to do a video call with our granddaughter, Salem, for her 8th birthday.
Special birthday.
Yes. 8. And the rest of the family. So that was a lot of fun getting to do that. We always say it after we do it. We need to do this more often. And life goes by and we never do. And we really should. So we need to do that more often. So if you have kids, video chat with them. It's a lot of fun.
Call your mom.
If they're not, call your mom. Call your kids.
You need to. If you've still got your mom around and your dad, call them.
So Sunday, we went and got some groceries and then put them away. Relaxed. I started on book number 12.
That's amazing.
Book number 12. I'm halfway through it already.
12 this year she's already.
Yeah, just this year, yeah.
Wow.
I know people have read a lot more than that, but I don't always have time for that. Plus, I like to do other stuff. Because I work too. So, and you played with music. And guess what?
She works.
Yeah, I work. Oh, I work, trust me.
Ooh.
So he's a lot of work. Raise your hand if you agree with that. Raise your hand if you think that that's true. And then we packed up. So we said, see ya to our wonderful hosts in Fort Mojave.
Boy, they were great.
They are awesome.
Yes.
They are very, very nice.
John and Ann.
And we love their little doggies.
Oh
my
my
God,
gosh.
Lexi and Peanut are so cute.
They are.
And then we went to Big Bend of Colorado. So we went across the river from Fort Mojave to Laughlin.
And that's an SRA place.
State Recreation Area, Nevada State Recreation Area. I have it on the board, NVSRA. He's like, what's NVSRA? Don't you know what NVSRA is? It's a Nevada State Recreation Area. This is an NP-SRA. I mean, NP-RA.
Yeah.
Anyway.
National Park.
National Park Recreation Area.
Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You're not going to believe what's coming up on Wednesday. Hang on, we'll tell you.
Tom and Lori RV Life, coming along for the ride, chasing every sunset, freedom as our guide. click subscribe to ride along, and soon you'll be singing our songs. Tom and Lori RV Life. Tom and Lori RV Life. Tom and Lori RV Life. Tom and Lori RV Life.
You know how a lot of YouTubers always build up stuff around April Fool's Day, April 1st, April Fool's Day, and they say, I've had it, I quit RVing, we're going to stop full-time RV life, and we can't do this anymore, and or we bought a brand new rig, or we got rid of, we're not going to do that. But boy, oh boy, do we have an April 1st, April Fool's episode all ready for you. 9 a.m. Pacific time this Wednesday, 12 noon Eastern. Holy moly. We think you're going to like it. I think you're going to love it. Okay, enough said.
So thank goodness for full hookups at the SRA.
We needed them.
Because we hibernated in the air conditioning.
It was over 100 each day we were there.
We were thankful for that. We were very thankful. Wednesday, early in the morning, before it got too hot, gave Tom a haircut, and then we, what?
No, go ahead.
And then we packed up again.
Okay, fine. I'll show it.
Zzz. Yep. Hey, you get what you pay for. We say that every time I cut his hair.
Oh
Get
my
what you pay
God,
for.
I'm paying out the yin-yang, let me tell you. All right.
So we were supposed to be at Boulder Beach one more day. I mean, not Boulder Beach, but Big Bend of the Colorado one more day. But there was going to be winds, and we did not want to travel in those, so we left early.
Big
made
wind event.
another reservation here at Boulder Beach. We must have the whole system very confused because we've added and deleted and moved and changed and did all this kind of stuff to get here. So good travel day, Big Bend of the Colorado to here.
Thankful for AC because it does keep her cool and Kaylee cool.
Yeah, that was there. There isn't any AC here.
Well, there is if we
if we use our generator.
we use the generator.
Yeah,
we'll
we
probably
will.
have to do that today. It's supposed to be another hot one today, another hot one tomorrow, and then Monday it moderates a little bit, and then Tuesday and Wednesday only highs in the 70s.
Let's hope.
So we're looking forward to
Let's
that.
hope it doesn't change. So when we got here, we had to back in to the site.
Pulled in the campground, sun's sinking low. I hop out quick saying, all right, let's go. Hands in the air like I'm guiding the plane. You roll down the window already complaining. I was doing just fine till you started yelling. Now I'm second guessing every direction you're telling. Easy now, slow it down. I am going slow, you're just spinning me around. Back that RV up, back it up. Little to the left, wait, that's too much. Turn it to the right, which right is that? Straighten it out, we ain't lined up yet. Stop before you hit that rock. What rock? Right there by the block. Everybody watching like it's 5 o'clock. Back that trailer up. Neighbors got chairs like it's front row seats. Got one guy nodding like he's coaching me. You're getting crooked now, turn fast. You just sit slow, make up your mind at last. Easy, don't oversteer. You say that every time I get near. Back that RV up, back it up. Little to the left, nope, that's enough. Cut it to the right, now I'm jackknifed. Straighten it out, we'll get it right. Stop before you hit that tree. You mean the one you couldn't see. Everybody watching, cheering and all. Back, don't hit that wall. Okay, come back 2 inches.
2 inches?
That's not a real measurement from up here.
Trust me.
I did. That's how we got into this. Alright, straight. Hold it there. Don't move your hands. I swear, I'll swear. Back that RV up, nice and slow this time. Little bit of teamwork, now we're in line. Left a touch. Okay, I see.
Right there.
Perfect. Wait, that's me. Stop! Yeah, we nailed that spot. Didn't hit the tree, didn't hit the rock. Back, back, back. Yeah, we lined it up, laughing all the way. Yeah, that's RV love.
Okay, so if you want to be able to back somebody in without ruining your marriage, you can order walkie-talkies just like we have by using our Amazon link.
And the link, we're going to make it easy for you. All you got to do is scan the QR code on your screen right now. It'll take you right to our homepage, our Amazon homepage, and then you just click through. Now, we do make a little kick. It doesn't cost you any more, so scan the QR code, and that's all you have to do.
Cool. Thanks you guys for being here. One more thing we'd like you to do is to give us a thumbs up and to leave a comment and share us. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and click that bell to get notified anytime we put out a new episode of Tom and Lori RV Life. Oh, hype us too if you're on your phone. While you're scanning, right after you do that, hit like and then hype. There we go.
Oh,
Okay.
somebody did.
Somebody hyped. Woo!
Woohoo!
All right.
I like that.
So, yesterday morning was a travel day.
Oh my gosh, Thursday was a travel day.
Thursday was a travel day.
Friday was a
Friday
travel
was a
day.
travel day.
And guess what this morning was?
It's another travel day.
Yeah.
So, we had to go
We're going to have to sit that boy down and talk to
from
him.
the site we're in right now. We were here Thursday night. And then we went, 150 yards down to another
A
site
different site.
for one night.
And now
And then we came back up to this site.
to this site for the next week.
What's frustrating is nobody ever came to this site last night.
Oh, we could have
We
stayed.
could have stayed.
Oh well,
Rats.
it's all part of the adventure.
It is. It's been fun, you know. Kaylee is just thrilled. She had 3 travel days in a row. Luckily, the last 2 were very short days.
Oh my goodness.
So, we said goodbye to Quartzsite.
Last week,
last
What Up
What Up
Wednesday?
Wednesday.
This Wednesday again, it's April Fool's Day, 9 a.m. We're going to debut our April Fool's episode. 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 noon Eastern. Make an appointment. Don't miss it. It'll put a smile on your face.
Oh.
And with that,
Remember to go wish Dave at Our Endeavor a happy birthday. It's on Monday, and it's a big one.
it is a huge one for him.